Hey everyone, and welcome to another All About RVs video. Today we're going to take a look at a brand new 2021 Forestriver Nitro 351 toy hauler fifth wheel. We're going to take a few minutes, run you around the inside and outside of this RV. But before we get too started here, we're going to just kind of show you the outside real quick while it's all closed up here. Then we're going to put it inside, kind of open everything up for you, walk you around and show you what everything looks like. Don't forget, guys, to like, share, and subscribe if you're interested in keeping up with more of these RV videos. I try to update a lot of the new RVs as often as possible for you guys, trying to do at least 1 to 3 videos a week for you. That way I can kind of get you all the information on all the new stuff. We're going to head inside and show you around now. Walking up into this section here, you kind of see what everything looks like closed up. Your front door here basically kind of takes you into the kitchen / living room area. This is all closed up. Now you can get into the bathroom area here. So basically when you first walk in, go right up the steps. Bathroom is immediately here on the left, and you have full use of the bathroom. So this is great if you do stop at a rest area, just need to take a break, get out and relax. You can come in, use the bathroom. You can also come in and use the bedroom. So if you're tired from a long trip driving, you can come in here, get to this section of the RV, lay down, relax, kind of do what you need to do. And obviously the toy hauler in the back is fully accessible with the slides closed as well from the back door. So you don't have to worry about coming in here to get to that garage area. Now we're going to open everything up and we'll be right back. All right, guys, we're now up inside this new XLR toy hauler fifth wheel. And we're going to start here in the kitchen / living room area, the center of the coach. We're looking toward the front of the RV right now. As you can see, we're looking up here at the ceiling. We have ducted air conditioning runs through the ceiling. There's a large, fantastic fan over there in that top left corner there, which basically just kind of helps exhaust out a lot of the moisture and stuff like that when you're cooking. There's a wall control over there. They do a nice two-tone cabinet, so you have some white cabinets in the kitchen area and then some darker cabinets and stuff as well. All linoleum floor throughout the coach. They no longer use carpet in the XLR, so that's a bonus feature for a lot of you guys that like to go out and get dirty and muddy with your toys. No carpet to really worry about ruining in here. Gas electric refrigerator. This is a Dometic gas electric fridge, so for those that like to go off the grid camping a little bit more, some of you guys like this feature over the 12-volt version, so nice little feature there for those customers. Drawer down below. There is the Furrion oven with the glass front and the 3-burner stove top, little LED lights and stuff. And they do a nice little matching pull-out drawer down there as well. Overhead cabinets above the microwave there with the larger microwave and some storage. Now back in behind here, you can see more storage back here, along with some drawers as well. The larger faucet there with the pull-out sprayer, single stainless bowl there with the little grated cover. Down on the side of the cabinet area there is the electric box with the breakers and fuses, an electric outlet, a little meter there for your inverter system also, and there's a dustpan vac down there as well. We're going to spin around and look toward the other direction here. And you can see the theater seat, which is looking directly across at your flat screen TV. Nice big flat screen TV there. But the theater seat does have the little center section that folds down and has an electric outlet and a USB charger port there. And there's also obviously cup holders you can see there. But when that flips up, all 3 seats will recline. And then you have the little tables built into the arms there. Now those do remove, so you don't have to leave them there if you don't want them. but it does give you a little area there to kind of set some food or something like that if you wanted to sit in here and eat and watch TV. Now, electric fireplace here, which is a pretty cool little fancy space heater. Radio as well with the indoor speakers, and you do have outdoor speakers that you'll see once we get to the outside. Little lighted kitchen cabinet over there, little pantry area, and some overhead cabinets above the TV there as well. Now, going back here, you're also going to see a loft up here. And there's TV hookups back there, air conditioning vent back there, and there's also a roof vent back there as well. And there's a ladder that comes with the coach that just attaches up there, so you can have the kids climb up and down there pretty easily. We're going to step back into the garage area, and then we'll go back up into the bedroom area and stuff. But just kind of looking back here into the garage, this has the Happy Jack bed system, so you have a dinette / sofa area back here that will make into a bed. There's also a bunk up above. I've got it pinned up out of the way right now, but there is a bunk up here that does come down. So you could sleep 4 people back here pretty comfortably. Now, this unit was ordered with the 3-season door that you're seeing there. I have one swung open, the other one kind of partially slid back. But the 3-season door is a pretty cool feature for the customer that just wants to try and help keep the air in while the patio's down versus just a traditional screen kind of thing. So that's a nice little feature. The only negative I would say about the 3-season door is you do lose probably about 6 inches of height when you're loading your vehicle. So if you have a taller RZR and stuff like that, definitely check the measurements on that if that's something that does interest you. Check your RZR measurements and stuff. We're going to step out onto the back porch. This one was ordered with the back porch feature that you're seeing here. So you've got a little patio railing system here. We also have another little awning up here as well. And it was done with the step feature, which you'll see better once we get out here to the outside. But it's pretty cool. Got a little patio back here. There's some LED lights back here mostly for loading, but it's kind of nice also at nighttime if you're sitting back here. And you are pre-wired for the observation or backup camera back here as well. Now, kind of looking back into the coach, you can see there a half bath on the left. Nice little feature there, so if the kids are back here, they can just go right to the bathroom there. Or if you come back from a muddy ride or whatever, you again have a bathroom right back there to kind of do a little wash up before you go into the rest of the coach if you want. Washer dryer hookups are right there in the center, so if you want to do a combo washer dryer or a stackable washer dryer, that is available to do right there. And flat screen TV would mount perfectly right up there in between those 2 overhead cabinets. So if you wanted to do a 32 or 40 inch flat screen, something like that up there, it is all wired up there for that feature. And on the wall, there's more controls for the bed, the back patio, lights, and stuff like that is all right there as well. You can see here, nice rubber floor so you don't slide around as easy when you're coming in and out with your toys. If the kids are back here kind of making a mess, it's definitely a lot nicer and easier to clean up back here. And you got your D-rings and stuff in the floor as well. Going on back into the coach again. In the hallway area here, you have your controls for a lot of the RV features. So you've got your light switches, slide controls, front awning controls, the auto level jack system here, solar information there for this solar if you order it with that feature, and the furnace and air conditioner control for up here. We're gonna go into the bathroom up here. Now in the bathroom here, we'll start from the ceiling down. You do have a small vent there, little fan, air conditioning in here, heat in here, skylight in here. One-piece fiberglass shower with a curtain. Also has a little sit-down seat that you can see there. Porcelain foot flush toilet up here as well, just like the back half bath. And there's also little storage down below there. Little sink and medicine cabinet area. So not too bad. It's a decent sized bath. Going on up into this area here, we're entering the master bedroom area here. And again, you got the two-tone cabinet look up here. So you have little cabinets on each side with a shelf across the top. Pretty cool little windshield there looking out over the front. Does have a pull-down nightshade over top of that, little blackout shade. Little directional reading lights. I left the one on the left blue and the one on the right clear, but you can flip back and forth between either a blue light or a clear light depending on what mood you're in there. Electric outlet on both sides of the bed as well. And the bed does raise up, so you have storage underneath of that bed. And you can see in the picture there the table. There's two little tables that go back in the garage area, along with the little legs and stuff there as well. Now you have a slide out in the bedroom here, and there's storage there that you're seeing, hanging closet, drawers, stuff like that all there. And then down on the other side is some more drawer space. Get in here a little closer for you to see the little windshield area there. It's kind of cool. You're looking right out there. We're just looking at the garage door in front of us there, but you kind of get the idea there. A little more natural light, letting in the environment a little better. Now at the foot of the bed area here, there's electric outlet down there. Air conditioner control over on the left with a light switch, because there is another air conditioner up here. And then there's TV hookups right here. So if you want to do a flat screen on the bedroom area here, you can do so. And plenty of room to really maneuver around to get in and out of the bed as well. So we're going to take a few minutes and we're going to head to the outside, walk you around the outside, show you some of the really cool features there on the porch and things like that. So we'll be right back. All right, guys, we're back here on the outside of this new XLR Nitro. And we're going to start here on the door side. So we've got everything opened up. You can really see pretty cool stuff here. We have dual awnings. Now, the front awning here is standard on the coach. The back awning over there is an option. So if you want that secondary awning, be sure to talk to your salesperson about that. Really nice high gloss fiberglass exterior here. There's a heavy-duty fiberglass cap on the front. Again, the windshield you've seen. Some LED lights and stuff built into that front section also. Now, this one was ordered with the generator. You don't have to get that feature if you don't want to spend the extra money for it. It is technically an option, but a lot of dealers and a lot of people want that feature, so they order it that way. Propane tank behind that first door there. Storage behind the second door there that you're seeing. LED light strip on both awnings when you do that. And the arms are technically adjustable. This customer also did slide out awning covers, and they wanted it over top of that slide out there as well. So that does take away a little bit of the gap space between the slide and the awning material. But when the awning is closed, it does protect the slide out also. So that is something else that you're kind of seeing up there a little bit that is different. Traditional entry door and screen door, large folding entry handle there, and you can see your model number and stuff like that all right there next to the door. Quad entrance step going in. They're doing the old school steps, I guess you'd say, because they don't come down and touch the ground. Some people like this version better. It's a little bit easier sometimes to get in and out of if you're having to pull off the side of the road kind of thing, or if you're just trying to get in and out of the coach sometimes in a storage lot. LED light strip along the bottom section of the coach there that you're seeing kind of reflecting off the floor. So there's LED light below and up above. There's two outdoor speakers there with the little red LED light, and you can also see there are TV mount and hookups right there if you wanted to do a TV out here. And the cool thing, it is kind of covered under the awning in case of a rainstorm or something like that. But if it gets too crazy, obviously you want to put it away. Dual axles on this particular coach, this model, and there is the More Ride 3000 center suspension there, which is basically like shocks on an RV. Really kind of helps as you're driving up and down the road. You can also see some information there on the tire pressure monitoring system that is now standard on the coach, along with a little sticker there kind of telling you a little information about the tires, Lionhead tires. Auto level jack system, 6-point electric system on the Nitro is the available option. You don't have to get that if you don't want, but this one was ordered with it. Rear entry is a quad step just like the front one with the aluminum tread plate. Back up here a little bit so you can see a little bit better. Spinning around here to the garage area. This is the patio system from outside here, you can see. Step going up the side. Does have a little foot that comes down and touches the ground. But the nice thing here is you can actually walk off the side instead of off the rear. So you don't have to worry about having an extra 3 feet of length in your campsite or something, because it does come out the side. Steps are adjustable, so you can adjust the feet on there to help you a little bit with height and stuff like that if needed. You can also see the back awning a little better from here, and your little lights and stuff like that up there as well. Don't forget, guys, if you are interested in keeping up with more of my videos, be sure to subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification button there so it'll notify you when I do more updates on these new RVs as they come in and out. I try to do anywhere from 1 to 3 RVs a week if I have time, just to kind of get you guys an idea of all the new stuff coming in and out of here. On the back of the coach here, the back side, you can see the foldable ladder on the left-hand corner there. And there's an LED light up there. Your gas fuel up area back here, the generator runs off this same tank, but you can also fuel your toys off of this as well. So there's a fuel meter there, fuel pump and gas pump and everything. And then you can see down below there is the half bath dump area right there. Again, you have 2 bathrooms. They're really far apart on the coach. So they have to do 2 separate dumps for those areas. You can kind of see up there again, slide out awning topper on this slide along with one on the front. Nice little optional feature. 50 amp power cord hookup right there, and the black tank flush just below it to clean the toilet tank back here. The black panels there are vents and maintenance purposes for the gas electric refrigerator. And you can also see here the 10-gallon gas electric water heater. The front dump is just underneath of that slide right there. And the controls for it are right here in the docking station area that you're seeing pop up here, along with the rest of the pass-through storage. But in the docking station area there, you have some dump valves, water hookups, cable hookups, all that type of stuff, outside utility shower. And down below, just above the generator exhaust, is a low point water drain. The other propane tank right here. Now, I'm also going to pop up the weight stickers here so you can see the actual factory stickers pop up there. Overall gross weights, dry weights, and the carrying capacities and stuff like that, along with the tire information, so you can get a little more spec stuff there, guys. Be sure, guys, to check out Couch's RV Nation. They are one of the largest internet wholesale dealers. They let me do these videos for you guys, so check them out. They'll definitely save you a lot of money on a new RV if you're interested. Thanks, guys.